Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this GULAKY Orthopaedic Sandals for women and men and so on. It's orthopedic slippers, arch support. We have a cloud recovery pillow slide, bathing shoes, slippers too. And it's available in a lot of colors, in beige, in black and gray, like in that video, in red and black, in purple, and pink white. I like the purple one, of course. You can choose these in different sizes from 36 Europe standard to 48, up to 48. We have a sole material of rubber, an outer material of natural rubber, the inner material is rubber, and it is a pull-on closure type. This arch position protection means these slippers are designed with a structure effectively relies plantar fasciitis. It supports, straightens, and relaxes our feet, slows the foot pain and pressure, so we can stand for a long time without getting tired. The heel U-shape, deep heel up and the thickened sole are supported because this sports slippers is a two-layer design. The upper layer of the heel is a U-shape, deep root cap design. It's perfect fit for the foot. Excellent elasticity of the footbed. Soft and comfortable to wear. The bottom layer is thickened sole, 5 cm thick base slippers, and the material is more wear resistant. And the toe 30 degrees up design comes to us with a cool feature. The two designs is an ergonomic design. This is a rolling balance. This effective protect our feet and make a full use of the hertia. The inertia, this making the use of the movement easier and smoother. And with a double anti-slip design on top. That means the texture design of the upper effectively prevent the foot from slipping off while walking. And the greasy texture of the sole effectively increase the grip and significantly improve the anti-slip performance. And with a lot of suitable occasions. The casual occasions are very suitable, especially after sports. These slippers can effectively relieve our muscle tension and relax our feet after sports and workouts. And it makes a good and nice feel on your foot if you wear that. Of course, a sandal is an open type of shoe consisting of a sole held to wear his foot by straps going over the instead around the ankle. Sandals can have a wheel, while the distinction between sandals and other types of footwear can sometimes be blurry. For example, of a Hiraxis, the woven leather footwear seen in Mexico and peep 2 pumps. The common understanding is that the sandal leaves all or most of the foot exposed. The people may choose to wear sandals for several reasons, among them comfort and warm weather economy. Sandals tend to require less material than shoes and are usually easy to construct, of course, and as a fashionable choice. Usually people wear sandals in warmer climatic or during warmer parts of the year in order to keep the feet cool and dry. The risk of developing athletic foot is lower than with enclosed shoes, and the wearing of sandals may be part of the treatment regime for such an infection. The English word sandal derives under an influence from the Middle French sandali, from the Latin sandalismus, and the first attached to Middle English for the form sandales. The Latin term derived from Greek sandalion, the diminutive of the sandalon, of the uncertain origin. In Greek, the name referred to a particular style of the woman's sandals rather than being the general word for the category of footwear. Similarly, in Latin, the name was also used for slippers. The more common term for Roman sandals being solea, when in the English sole. The English word sand and the sandal word are both the false cognates. So you see, a sandal is a nice orthopedic designed shoe here, and it comes by GULAKY to you. And it brings us a good wear comfort. These are orthopedic slippers for every season out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Sun.